right, so we're going to look at writing the system that represents a scenario. This is the 2.0 level. The 3.0 level is where we need to solve it. So right now, we are just working on writing. So it says tickets to a concert at 20 Monroe cost either $12 or $15. For a particular show, 300 tickets were sold overall, and the venue made $4,140. Write a system of equations that could be used to determine the number of each type of ticket that was sold. So we know a couple things. So we know there's two different types of tickets. One of them costs $12. Okay. And we need some variables because we don't know how many tickets were sold for those. So we can use, let's use X. So we know the X tickets cost $12. We also know we have a different type of tickets that are $15. We'll say those are Y. Okay, so we have two different types of tickets. So we have two different variables. We know altogether that there were 300 tickets sold. So we know one of our equations is going to equal 300 because 300 is a total. Because 300 is the number of tickets, we need to do the number of each type of tickets added together. So we're going to do our X tickets, so however many tickets of the X kind that we have, and we're going to add on to that the number of Y tickets that we sold. So we have tickets plus tickets equals the total number of tickets. So this is just talking about like the number of tickets, the number of items. We're not looking at anything money yet. So our second equation, we need to look at how much each thing cost. So one piece of information that we haven't used yet was our total here. So we have $4,140. That's our second total. So that is for our other equation. So we know it's going to equal 4,140. Because our answer is in money, we need to include how much money each ticket costs. So for our X tickets, they cost $12 a piece. So we need to have the 12 with the X. And then we're adding on to that the money they made from the other type of tickets, which is the Y tickets. So that's going to be plus 15Y. So this is very similar to when we did the bag of coins in class. We had to include how much a quarter was worth for one of them. So we had money plus money equals money. And the other one was the item plus item equals item. This is the same thing here. So this is our final system. And we're done. So this is the 2.0 level. The 3.0 level is when we have to solve this either using elimination or substitution.